Ayun. So, hello everyone. Welcome dito sa ating Module 3. So, ito na yung Introduction to E-commerce and eBay. And, lakihan lang natin yung screen. So, the objective of this module, ito po, uh, by the end of this module, you'll be able to define e-commerce and yung roles natin in yung online business world, understand how eBay works as a marketplace platform, recognize the opportunity of becoming a virtual assistant for eBay sellers. Position yourself to offer value in a growing digital economy. Ayan. So, ano nga ba yung e-commerce? Ang e-commerce is electronic commerce is the exchange of goods and services through internet. Ayan. So, anything na online. Ayan, e-commerce siya. Ayan, yan yung pagbili natin sa mga Shopee, Lazada, e-commerce yan. So, it allows businesses to reach global marketplace and operate 24/7 without a physical storefront. Ayun, as a virtual assistant, you need to understand this space in order to effectively support online sellers. Um, May types ang e-commerce, so B2B or business to business transaction between companies, manufacturer selling to a wholesaler. Uh, Ayan, so kung uh, malaking company talaga siya, sila yung company is nakikipag-transact siya sa mga manufacturer. Like, kunyari, gawa sila ng mga products nila. Like, kunyari, mga beauty products, sila yung transact dun sa mga gumagawa ng mga beauty products. Meron ding B2B, business to consumer. Like, yung kunyari, yung seller, tapos yung mga consumer na, yung mga bumibili na yung mga user ng mga product na yon, or yung consumer to consumer, ayan, yung mga, ayan, mga ah, platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace, yung may mga nire-resell silang mga second-hand goods, ayan, yung mga types ng ng e-commerce business. So, sa e-commerce, merong mga major platforms like yung dito sa Philippines is yung mga major platform natin, Lazada, Shopee, ngayon, Carousel, Facebook Marketplace. Meron pang iba siguro na hindi ko pa nabanggit, pero sa US, ang mga major platforms nila is Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, eBay. Marami pang iba na hindi ko nabanggit, pero ito yung major nila na mga e-commerce platform. So, e-commerce growth and opportunity, over 2 billion people shop online. Ayan, and the number grows every year. Small businesses are increasingly shifting online. Ayan, creating demand for remote support. Ayun, so sa ngayon napakaraming hiring talaga ng mga VA. So, e-commerce, magandang niche kasi in demand yung services natin as e-commerce virtual assistant. So this growth opens up to long-term opportunities for VA skilled in product listings, order management, and customer service. Like ako is almost more than 6 years na akong e-commerce virtual assistant. So, madaming opportunity. Hindi lang, ayun, mostly long-term ang opportunity as a e-commerce virtual assistant, and pwede kang kumuha ng multiple clients or other part-time. Ayan, so pwede kang mag-work um, sa mga iba-ibang clients. So, syempre, as long as kaya natin tanggapin, ayan. So, real-world application as an eBay VA, you'll often support B2C, C2C sellers such as small businesses. Ayan, yung mga individual sellers na mga need lang nila ng assistant talaga. Ayan, entrepreneurs managing multiple stores who really need daily help to keep operations smoothly. So, ako, meron din ako mga part-time clients. Meron na akong full-time client. Ayan. So, pwede kayong mag-work sa mga different clients, hindi lang sa isa. So, ayun yung kagandahan sa niche natin. Ayan. Why eBay is a great niche. eBay is trusted and well-established marketplace, perfect for freelancers who want stable and recurring work. So, hindi tayo talaga nauubusan ng trabaho. Yan ang kagandahan sa atin. And hindi tayo ganun kadaling palitan. Talagang yung clients, once na work na tayo sa kanila, hindi tayo basta-basta pwedeng palitan or pwedeng mag-hire sila ng other VA kasi ayun yung kagandahan dito sa niche natin as eBay. Nag-grow tayo dito. And ayun, it's simpler than many other platform, making it easy to learn. Ayan ang kagandahan ni kay eBay, mas madali siyang intindihin, madali siyang gamitin. Kahit newbie ka talagang makukuha mo agad kung paano mag-listing kay eBay kasi hindi siya kagaya ng ibang platform na medyo na-try ko na yung ibang platform, medyo complicated gamitin. Si eBay is napakadaling gamitin. So, ayun. Lower barrier to entry. You don't need to learn complex website building. Yan. Di na natin kailangan ng matagal na pag-aaral para matutunan si eBay. eBay doesn't require sellers to invest in ads or branding upfront. As a VA, you can quickly learn eBay tools and support sellers right away. Kahit wala kang experience, makakapasok ka. Ayan, ang kagandahan sa atin. You just need to learn the basics ng paglilisting. Ayan, yung mainly natin na trabaho as eBay virtual assistant is paglilisting. Kasi pagdating sa orders, returns, tapos yung mga ganito, mga sold listing ni client, siya na kasi yung mostly na gumagawa niyan. Ang talagang mainly na need talaga ng mga eBay sellers yung paglilisting. Ayan. Ayan. And easy navigation means you can learn it fast even a beginner. So kahit wala ka talagang experience, maa-adapt mo agad kung paano siya gamitin, paano mag-list. Ayan. Thousands of active sellers need help. Sobrang daming eBay sellers. Hindi tayo mauubusan ng trabaho. Many sellers struggle with time-consuming tasks like listing or customers communication. These tasks are perfect to delegate, train, eBay virtual assistant. Ayan, no heavy tech skills needed. Yan, hindi natin kailangan mag-aral ng mga coding, ng mga design, yung pag-manage ng mga servers, ng mga websites. eBay work focuses on organization, accuracy, and attention to detail. If you're reliable and comfortable, you can thrive as a VA. Ayan. Even yung pagpo-posting natin sa Facebook, magagamit natin yan as uh, an advantage na marunong tayong mag-post. Kasi parang ganun din yung gagawin natin dito sa eBay. Posting of posting of products. So, kung paano tayo mag-list sa Facebook, parang ganun din sa eBay. But, syempre may konting difference pagdating sa interface. Ayan. So, client insight, many eBay sellers are solo entrepreneurs or small businesses. They love having someone dependable to help them scale, reduce workload, improve their store performance. Ayan, as a VA, ayan, tutulungan natin sila para hindi sila ma-stuck, hindi sila, yun kasi yung mahirap sa part nila, yung paglilisting, ang gusto lang nilang gawin is mamili, ah, mag-package, magdala ng order sa post office. So, yung paglilisting is matrabaho yan pagdating sa kanila. Kasi gusto nila pag may bumili lang, ipabalot na lang nila yun. Yan. So, yun yung ano natin, doon tayo papasok sa paglilisting. Yan, kahit listing lang yung offer mo, may makukuha ka talagang client. How eBay works. So, eBay is a platform where users can buy and sell most anything through two types of sale. So may auction, merong fix. Like, yung auction is yun, magbibidding pa yung mga customers kung sino yung makakuha ng mataas or kung kanino ibigay ng seller, so sa kanya mapupunta. So fix naman is pag naglagay na ng price yung ano doon, yung seller, yun na yung mismong price niya. Close the door, Ichiro. Ayan, so, ayan, sa paglilisting naman, bali, um, ang importante natin dapat matutunan sa paglilisting, since yun yung